Hey everybody, well, it's getting exciting. This morning I received a call that the sawmill is on its way, and that was about 10:30, and about 10 minutes ago I received a call from the driver, and he's not that far away. He's on his way, so shouldn't be much longer, and he'll be pulling up, and we'll be having to get this big pallet of sawmill parts off his truck. So tune in. It's looking good. There's only one place, and that's it right there. But that's nothing. I don't see any damage. All the boxes look good. I'll know more when I dive into it and get them all apart and everything. But Rick did a professional job, and I didn't know it, but UPS is now becoming T-Force. Is that right?
Yep, it's turned into T-Force Freight.
All right. So
they got to the end of 2022 to get all those trucks painted over.
Wow. All right. Well,
it's going to be a huge undertaking there.
Yeah. Well, good job, man. Thank you for bringing that to me.
Anytime, man.
We'll see you around. All right. Take care. Hey, y'all. Today is Saturday, February 5th, and finally have some time to work on trying to put the sawmill together. I wanted to share the way things went down with the delivery of the sawmill. When I ordered it, it was 6 to 8 weeks for delivery, and of course it went way longer than that, and it took a lot of phone calls and griping at Norwood. Anyway, after some back and forth with them, they finally got on the ball, and at the 10-week mark they were able to finally deliver a pallet of parts. So when they delivered that pallet, I was able to get it up to our carport and start breaking the pallet down, looking for an assembly manual, which they did not send. So once I found out, going through the whole pallet, that there was no assembly manual, I got on the phone, called them, and they said they would have one in the mail to me in a week. So I had to wait 1 week. When it finally did come, guess what? It was in a foreign language. So I had to call them again. This time they were able to send me a manual printed in English, and it was only 4 days this time, delivery time. So with all the rain and cold that we've been having and my full-time job, we're 3 weeks past initial delivery, and I'm just now getting a chance to try to assemble something. So, all right, so I got these 1, 2, 3, the first ones right there. Those cross bunks made it up to the side rails and the support rails there. It's all loosely bolted together. Nothing's tight yet. I did that, and I'm about to do the front half, all that. And then once I get done with that, I think I'm gonna carry the assembled halves out to the concrete driveway where it's level. And then that's probably where I'll do the tightening down. I'll put some Loctite on there and tighten it down, and get it all nice and level and everything. And I plan on doing it out there, so we'll see. Here we go. cross box for the trailer. I'll show you what it looks like in the picture in the assembly manual. That's the cross box I'm building here on the bench. And these, that one, and that one. Okay, so I switched over to the trailer because I'm trying to get all the orange parts where they go so I can get a better handle on where everything goes. So we got all this kind of loosely put together, and I'm starting to get the trailer frame loosely put together. The hardware. So they're calling for the grade 8. What do they call them? Calling for the, let's see, I don't know if I can show it to you and see it. It's item number 3. It's 12 half-inch by 3.5-inch bolt, flange bolt, grade 8. And it says it's in 29 bag, trailer bag A, Euro. I don't know what the Euro means, but that says bag, trailer A1. So I think that's it. Okay, so I found bag A. It was inside that. It was inside of this bag in another bag. So it says O29 bag, bag A. SB trailer bag. And that's it. Okay. Day 2 is the sawmill build. Still working on the trailer and the bunk bed for the sawmill. And just getting started. It's after 12 on Sunday. Had a lot of errands to run and I'm getting started back again. I'm not going to rush it. I want to make sure I go step by step and get it right. Hey everybody, I got a little chance to come outside and work on this sawmill cross bunk bed, and I'm going to do a little time lapse, so hope you enjoy it. Worked that long on the sawmill today, but I felt pretty accomplished. Was able to get it all the bolts in and tightened down. It seemed to be square and level. That's why I put it on this concrete right here to do it. But I still have to put it on the trailer and square and level that trailer. So I don't know if that was a waste of time or what, but I'm going by the book, and the book had me do that, so that's what I do. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment on it, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll catch you on the next one. As soon as I can get back to working on it, I will.